In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a gray filter to your logos on your image carousel. And for some reason, we don't have an option within our image carousel to be able to do that. We have an option to do that within our image element, but for some reason, we don't have an option to do that with our carousel. And we can easily do that with some custom CSS. So make sure that you have your image carousel selected, go into Advanced, go into Custom CSS, and then go ahead and paste the CSS that I've provided in the description. And there you have it. And the cool part about this is that it also has a hover effect. So if we were to just go and hover this, you notice that it would change to its original color. And it's something that I just wanted to share with you guys. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video and find it helpful, make sure to like it for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you have any questions, just comment down below.